Hey peeps, what's up? Alright, you know it's your boy Bless. I don't need any introduction, but like, comment, and share. Make sure you keep sharing the video them and stuff. Especially this one. I know you guys are aware of are actually hear about the outbreak of the dengue fever caused by the Aedes aegypti mosquito or mosquitoes. Pardon my pronunciations and stuff. Them thing I swear sometimes you get some sickness and you wonder you can't even call the name of it and thing. Everything is so complicated where health is concerned. Anyways, I just want to explain a few symptoms and some facts to know about this thing because probably when you just hear about it and worry and thing, but when you not try to go in depth to find out certain things and try to find ways how to prevent it and stuff. Alright. So the Ministry of Health has confirmed that there is a dengue fever outbreak in Jamaica at an emergency press conference at its New Kingston offices on Thursday. All right. The ministry said there were 123 cases of dengue fever across the island in December. All right, surpassing the epidemic threshold of 96. All right, so you know, say rise, and it keep rising. Right, because we not understand, we not treat some little flu-like symptoms and things as just flu, while it is best to know if it is actually the dengue fever. Right. The 123 cases include suspected, presumed, and confirmed cases of dengue fever, said Health Minister Mr. Dr. Christopher Tufton. Right? Dr. Jacqueline Bissiso Mackenzie, the Chief Medical Officer, said that Kingston and St. Andrew currently have the highest number of reported cases. Right? Other parishes that have been adversely affected includes St. Catherine, Westmoreland, and St. Anne. Right? The symptoms are sudden eye fever, severe headaches, pain behind the eyes, severe joint and muscle pains, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, skin rash, which appears 2 or 5 days after the onset of the fever, and mild bleeding, right? Such as nosebleed, bleeding gums, or easy bruising, right? Some facts now, right? Dengue fever is a disease caused by a family of viruses that are transmitted by the Aedes mosquitoes, right? The dengue virus is prevalent throughout the tropics and subtropics, right? Dengue fever is caused by a virus and there is no specific medicine or antibiotic to treat it. None, right? For typical dengue fever, the treatment is directed towards relief of symptoms, right? So you get some symptomatic treatment, like your Panadol and all them things, and then tell us if you keep hydrated and whatever, right? Papaya leaf extract can be used to treat dengue fever, right? The acute phase of the illness with fever and muscle pain lasts about 1 to 2 weeks. Cool. Dengue, dengue emergic fever is a specific syndrome, right, that tends to affect children under 10 years of age. Right? The compilation of dengue causes abdominal pain, right? Or rather, the complications of dengue causes abdominal pain, hemorrhaging, which is bleeding, right, and circulatory collapse, which is shock, right? The prevention of dengue fever requires control of eradication of the mosquitoes carrying the virus that causes dengue. The vaccine for dengue fever was approved in April of 2016 for the use in dengue endemic areas, right? And you're listening from 2016, right? Yet still, it's like these people, them not try to take up things before it actually get out of hand. Right? Them tend to want to shun it down, so till them have a crisis. That's when time now them try to react. Right? Them wait till them have a crisis, that's when them try to react. Listen, people, you need to be aware of these things. You need to protect yourself, protect your kids. Right? I know say the mosquito them disgusting. Right? It's like them farmer army, it's like them well trained. Right? Because come on, you have destroyer in your house and mosquito still surpass the center the destroyer and whatever. Right? But in whatever cases you can protect on yourself, on the yard, on the area, in terms of any little mosquito breeding site, and try to get rid of it. Right? Try as best as possible to get rid of it. If you don't have no water cycle up any little way, you dump up, you dump up, right? Do whatever you can do. Do not, people, listen to me, do not wait on the government to do certain things. Do not. Them delinquent, right? And them are going to keep on have that control, that stronghold over we, if we not take up things in our hand, take up matters in our hand and try to save ourselves. Right? So people, may I beg you, kindly take all necessary precautions to protect yourself and your family members from being affected. Alright? So this message is brought to you by DREBLESSTV. Share the video, please, people. Alright? Shit keeps getting crazy.